Say what? Put it on what?
Go to readability. And all the way at the bottom, go to color customization or whatever.
Alright, wait. It's too fucking loud.
What? Hold on, this shit loud, bro.
Interface. Readability.
Alright, so after that, you're gonna go to color customization, and then change color filter all the way at the bottom to 2, and then color filter both, and then make sure those two settings are at 100. Let me highlight it.
This is Shadow 01. Deployment to the war zone has been authorized. Be advised,
all I gotta do
closing
is...
in. Speak to the safe zone. The safe zone is a long way from your
Does it look good?
Move like it.
Yeah.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Yeah, brother.
Damn. What the fuck?
No, you gotta put the cast too. I see all my...
I got the good settings, yo.
What the fuck?
I should become, yo, Daryl, I should become a tips and tricks guy.
Wait, you not like better?
So what?
I mean, I'm waiting for the dance.
Hey man, you gonna play this shit and quit crying. You understand me? I hear you cry all day at work. I'm not gonna hear you cry on the game. Bro, why did we ping this spot? Like, what the fuck?
I don't know.
Who pinged that shit? Berserk? Berserk?
Berserk.
Yo, Berserk, why'd you ping that shit?
Oh, somebody's
What's
here.
up, bitch?
Somebody's here. Two.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna get my kill.
Enemy soldier incoming.
That's pretty nice.
Yeah, it's laggy.
Is this boot camp or something? Jacob, is this boot camp or battle royale?
Boot camp.
Oh my god. You're gonna fake my feelings like this. Thought that I feel a real
Squad's in the safe zone. Gas is closing in.
Yo, you guys left me?
Oh, there's hella people over here. Damn.
I'm ready to go over there.
I didn't expect 10 people, man.
Oh no, you lying. Like 10 people is crazy.
Yeah, it's literally 2 full teams. Like, actual teams.
Squad mates in the gulag. If they
I'm about to
survive,
fuck you
they
up, kid.
redeploy.
Somebody go 911.
Hey, Benisher, are you a real person? Crouch if you are. Oh, he's crouching. Alright, bet I'm about to fuck your dumb ass up. Hold you, stupid bitch.
Squad mate won the fight. They're redeploying now.
He spam crouched, too. That shit was hilarious.
Like, that berserk guy go crazy up there.
He got a jackal, I think. He better.
Squad mate has entered the gulag. They'll need to survive to redeploy.
Yo, exotic. You real? Crouch if you real.
That's what I did. My dude spam crouched. What the fuck?
Dude was real. Dude was real.
Shitted on you?
Yeah.
Sniping. I don't know why you didn't die when I sniped him, bro.
Cause you fucking suck. That's
Man,
why.
you steal my shit, nigga. Your ass up.
I didn't even take the kill, bitch.
Oh, you steal that shit.
Hey, you know what? Buy him back. You got 10,000.
Who's that? Call 911.
Who's that? Call 911.
Somebody call 911.
Shorty burning, burning on that dance floor. Whoa. Hey, does your graphics look better? Like the color?
Yeah.
Right there, bro. I ain't
Yeah,
gonna
yeah.
lie.
You a hater. You a
just
big
let
hater.
it.
Been doing this. What? You can ask Daryl. Daryl,
What the fuck?
What?
tell him I've been had these settings.
Yeah.
For at least a week.
That's a damn lie. Yo, if you're real, don't come close to me, okay?
Friendly loadout drops on the way.
You get away from me, you queer.
No, I'm talking to the enemy, bro. I got proximity chat on.
You always trying to touch my leg and stuff at work, weirdo.
Whoa, whoa, you
Marking you
motherfucking
safe zone.
lying ass. Cheating. Alright, let me get my loading.
Hey, Gibson, where were you all day, though, man? I didn't see you all day for real. You was hiding?
Yeah, I kinda hide, to be honest.
You was hiding, weren't you?
Oh, somebody's shooting and I like it. It sounds like real good. It's like.
I need to plug my headset in.
Oh, somebody's here.
It's the world's longest fucking zip line.
What? Are you on?
Some of your squad is outside the safe zone.
I kinda like this graphic right now. No cap.
You like it?
Yeah, I kinda like it. I can see everything right now.
Precision airstrike standing by.
I can't snipe for shit right now.
Alright, we got fucking UAV restoration. We got multiple.
How's that guy level max prestige? What the fuck?
Copy that, Longbow 3-1 is on station.
Alright. We got multiplayer. Oh, I got
Are they real people?
Enemies are
One just glided in on you. You might actually have a real team on you.
Whoa, these are really good. One of them.
Oh, no fucking way. Dude, right there. Can you ping a buy station? Oh, never mind, you gulag.
Yeah, I'm still in cool out. I'm gonna win this. For sure.
Your loot's right here. If that was you.
The gulag gets out. Area's clear.
I cracked them.
It don't matter, because people on roof.
People on that blue roof where you died?
Yeah, right across the building.
Sentry turret ready to deploy.
Alright. Are we good? Are we good? What's going on? Why we don't talk? Why we don't talk, bro?
Yeah. Damn,
There's the
Berserk.
closest by.
Get your force to the safe zone. Leave no one behind.
Yo, don't buy him. I'm the one that's gonna buy him,
Shut up.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yep.
I found my
On
loot.
the bridge. On the bridge. On the bridge.
I found my
Where's
loot.
All enemy squads are lost.
Yo, what the fuck
Never
is he
mind.
using? This gun's OP as shit. The siren? Oh. Oh, that shot's again.
Oh, that's nice.
Alright, now let's play a real Warzone.
Battle Royale. Real Battle Royale.